Ayan, so let's talk about Article 1163 of Obligations and Contracts. Article 1163, talks about the diligence of a good father of a family. So siyang sinasabi lang dun, every person obliged to give something is also obliged to take care of it with the proper diligence of a good father of a family. So if you have the obligation to deliver something, let's say for example, in case of a seller who is obliged to deliver a property na binenta niya, that seller must still take care of it until ma-deliver niya yung property. So let's say for example, nag-execute na sila ng contract, pero yung delivery ng property is set on another day, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo na alagaan, hindi mo na i-maintain yung property. You need to take care of it until ma-transfer mo yung possession dun sa buyer. Yun yung diligence of a good father of a family. Pero meron siyang exception. Ang exemption niya, unless the law or the stipulation of the parties requires another standard of care. This allows for further interpretation na general rule lang pala yung diligence of a good father of a family. The exemption is if the law requires or both parties have agreed. So, normal yan sa civil code. Pag civil code ang pinag-uusapan, hindi mo pwedeng kontrahin ng batas. So, you can have any agreement, but it must not be contrary to law. Yun ang tatandaan niya lagi sa civil code. Pag civil code kasi, transactions between private persons yan. So, yung stipulations nilang magpre-prevail. Pero yung stipulations na yan, it cannot be contrary to law. Okay? So, supreme pa rin ang law. So, ito, dalawang exemptions niya, General rule, diligence of a good father of a family. Exemption is according to law or as stipulated by the parties. An example of the first exemption, yung if the law provides, the law on transportations, with regards to common carriers, or yung mga public utility vehicles, yung mga tricycle, mga jeep, mga bus, they are required by law to exert extraordinary diligence. So, meaning a greater diligence than a diligence of a good father of a family. So, mas mataas. Why? Kasi nga, common carrier, they deliver persons, kung saan nila kailangan pumunta. So, mas mataas yung diligence na kailangan mo. With regards to stipulation, any parties can stipulate. If the law only requires diligence of a good father of a family, they can set a standard higher than that. Okay, yun yung stipulation based on the agreement of the parties. Yun lang.